Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M340i in Black Sapphire Metallic with Tacora red interior. All right, so this is the 2025 BMW M340i in Black Sapphire Metallic. I just hit unlock on the key there so we can get the headlights on. And I've got the key, so I'm just gonna do the pathway lighting next. Perfect, so that's what the full low beam system looks like. This is an interesting car. We did a video recently on a black M340i with Tacora red. One of you out there saw the video, called me, and said they want that car. I said, I've got another one just like it, and this is the other one just like it, and I sold it. So big shout outs to Osman. He's coming in a couple hours to pick this thing up. So before we have the car delivered, I figured, you know what, let's make a video. And you know what's funny, I was actually eyeing this car as a potential next vehicle for myself, and of course I eliminated it as an option by selling it. So let's take a look at all the details. So we've got the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic. It is basically like a mirror in terms of how it's reflecting everything. You see all the lights on the ceiling and everything reflecting off the hood. We've got 4 lines coming lengthwise down the hood. That's typical BMW design language. We have BMW rondelle up front and center. We've got the one-piece blacked out kidney grille there with the little front-facing camera. Active grille shutters in there as well. And down here, more of those honeycomb patterns that you see, basically a little bit smaller than the ones on the grille, but same kind of idea. Functional air ducts on each side, intercooler, oil cooler, and we've got some functional air ducts going into the wheel wells as well. So again, we're just going to get the headlight system on there. Double L shape, inverted headlights, looks great. And again, pathway lighting. Boom, that looks good. Front end looks really good. I really like the 3 Series. So when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black burnish. So that other one we featured had black wheels. The burnished ones look a little bit different. And we've got the red M Sport brake back there. And we've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Some sticky rubber on here as well. That's awesome. Now we do have the M badging on the fender. So for 2025, it's now a brushed aluminum. It was chrome in 23 and 24. And it is a little bit bright, but we can actually see a little bit of that welcome light carpet coming through there. So it's got that crisscross pattern, so that's new from the LCI 1. And we have black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and the side camera there, the 360 view. We've got the sunroof up top. We have new style antenna, side profile, looks sweet. And there's your rear 995M wheel. We've got the Hofmeister kink here. And we have this style of door handle. It's not the integrated flush ones, but this does have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. And because this has M Sport Pro, we do have a black spoiler on the trunk lid. And when we come to the back here, you'll see that we've got the beautiful L-shaped tail lights, M340i badging, and brushed aluminum. And we've also got some vertical reflectors on each side. We've got the freeform exhaust down here with the rear diffuser. So that looks sweet. So since I've got the key with me, one swift kick underneath the back. We can open this up hands-free. You can also do the same kick to close. So down here, we have your release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have the grocery bag hanger here. We have a little netted area. Inside of here, you've got your tire inflator kit, tire sealant, tow hooks in there as well. We also have a little storage area on this side. That little piece of paper is teaching you how to do the kick to open and close the tailgate. We also have a button here to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Perfect. Now when we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. Once that opens up, it's telling us we need 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and then we can just shut the door. So let me just open up the back door here. So inside, we have the beautiful Tacora red interior, and we've got galvanic controls. We also have the ambient lighting here, Harman Kardon sound system. There's your Tacora red rear seats. The headrest can be adjusted up and down. The central one can also flip up and down like this. Armrests in the center with some cup holders. And we also have a pass-through through the center here as well. And lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats, also known as ISOFIX. We've got the black headliner. We also have some handles on each side with a coat hanger, some lights in the center here. The back of the center console, we've got some vents. We've got some rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, more vents down here. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front passenger door next. Perfect. So from the front passenger door, the passenger side also has the same welcome light carpet as the driver's side. And once I open the door up, you'll see inside we've got Tacora red, ambient light, galvanic window controls, and lock unlock. Some door pockets here, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar. We have some stitching going across the dash. We have carbon fiber trim inside of here, which looks amazing. Glove box down here, which illuminates. New vent design, close, open, direct where it's blowing. The seat also has an under the thigh extension. And the headrest is also manually adjusted forwards, backwards, up and down. Just a button down there at the base. And we have the curved display with iDrive 8.5. New cascading light design here. If I press this open down here, we also have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. And there is your iDrive controller. And if I lift up the center console, there's a USB Type-C charging port in there. There's also some little bit of an opening here so a wire can come out without getting pinched. So now that we've had a chance to look at this side, let's shut this door and we'll open the driver door next. All right, so if we open up that driver door, so inside of here, we have unlock lock, window controls, side mirror controls, memory buttons to save the seating position and side mirror position. There's your tailgate release. You can push that to open, pull and hold it to close while the key's inside. Another M aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar on this side as well. And we have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel. So we've got the M down here at 6, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. And we also have the head-up display in here as well. And also, this one has the optional adaptive suspension. So if I go into individual, you get this damping option. So if you have the adaptive dampers, you can tell by having this option in here. It makes a huge difference, especially if you're driving in downtown Toronto. The roads are pretty bad. Having it in comfort really softens out the drive, so that's pretty sweet. And we also have all the back park, automatic back park, automatic back parallel park. Backup assistant is a reminder or a memory of how you went forward for 50 meters and it can go back the same way. So that is all cool. You can also see the 3D view of the car if you wish. And this is also something that can be viewed through the My BMW app. Now up top, we've got your rearview mirror. We've got a sunroof up here and open and close. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this stuff, let's look down here. And there's your hood release. So 2 pulls. So once we arrive to the front of the vehicle, We won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. And this one has 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We've got a positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal here, washer fluids there. So, powerful engine, can be efficient if you are disciplined. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means that they both have to close at the same time. So I put my fingers on the rondel usually and just send her down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I will do one more final lap all the way around. It's really hard to go wrong, black on red with red brakes. It looks awesome. Welcome light carpet is also looking cool too. And I don't know, do I like burnished or black 995M wheels better? I don't know which one I like better. So how do you guys like the spec? Let me know in the comments below. And once again, big congratulations to Osman. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M340i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Tacora red interior with M Sport Pro. How do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.